Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you are all well, inshallah. By the grace of Allah, I am also well. Nowadays trading has gone to a very good stage, as you all know, and it has become like a trending day by day. Everyone is getting into trading and everyone want to become a small trader through which they can earn at least $200 to $300 a month easily. But friends, you cannot earn from here if you want. It is very tough marketplace where you have to spend a lot of time and effort to work, and you have to learn different logic and different strategies. In order to earn $200 to $300 a month, you must first know which markets you should work with and whether they pay you 100%. Today we will know about a marketplace where you can easily get 100% payment and give you an idea about how popular this marketplace is. As you can see, I entered a marketplace website and that website is called Quotex. So in this market of Quotex, you will get 100% payment, and I got a payment within few hours after depositing here, and I received 2 to 3 time payments already. So I told you that this is a marketplace of many trust and you can earn from here. The first mistake you make is you start opening an account after watching various videos and you deposit money and lost all the money. But today, as I will tell you, you will do the same, and I am still doing the same. After coming to this website, you can see here there is a demo option. Please click the demo option. After clicking, you will see that a new tab is opened and their demo $10,000 balance is given. And you will practice here continuously, not for 1 day, not for 2 days, not for 10 days. For 1 to 2 months, you will only practice. I request you again and again that please practice. Never trade without practice, otherwise you will 100% fail in this platform. You can see I made some trade with 10,000 demo balance, and I have been doing this practice for a month. Sometime I trade here and you can see that with $10,000 I made about $25,000 here. So friends, in the next video I will show you how to open a Quotex account and how to open Quotex account with a 100% verification. I will show you the complete procedure without thinking. Everyone will be fine. Stay healthy and definitely practice. Thank you and bye bye.